welcome. I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we are going to be doing the hair for the Ms Frizzle costume. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If we look at a picture of Ms Frizzle, we will see that she always wears her hair in a bun. It's not quite a messy bun, but it's also not slicked back and tight. I think the design of this character was on purpose. First, she's a science teacher, which means there are many things in her place of work that she would not like in her hair, and a bun is an easy way to get your hair out of your face. 2, this way Ms Frizzle can show off her custom jewelry.
The materials I need for this hairstyle are 2 hair ties, preferably in a color that matches your hair. I only have black, so I will be using that, and I'm not sure where I got them, but you can get a nice set at the Dollar Tree for about $1.25. I will also need bobby pins, and again, I'm not sure where I got these ones, but you can also find bobby pins at the Dollar Tree. Finally, I will need hairspray. I got this hairspray at Walmart for about $7. First thing that I do when I'm trying to style my hair and something that I'm wanting to hold its shape is to start with clean hair and slightly damp hair. So I've washed my hair and I'm going to spray it with this water. This way I will also not need a lot of products in the hair later to keep the bun looking the way that I want it. It doesn't mean that I won't be using those products. I will just be using less, which is better for my hair's health. Next thing I will do is make the part. Ms Frizzle's hair is parted down the middle in the front. Then, in order to make the swoops into the bun that her hair has, I will part from behind my ears all the way over my head, creating 3 sections. Now I'll begin the bun. First, I will place the hair at the back of the head in a high ponytail as Ms Frizzle wears her hair very close to the crown of her head. For this look, I will want the ponytail as close to where the end bun will go, as this will provide the base for the bun. Now, I will not be making a full ponytail as she does have some loose strands, making this more like a messy bun. So in the last pull through, I will only go halfway. Next, I will shape the bun into the way that I want it. Then, taking the second hair tie, I will set this in place. The second hair tie is really to keep the hair and the bun exactly where I want it. Now I will put in the bobby pins. These are really to help everything stay in place where I want it, even more than the second hair tie. You might be able to skip the second hair tie depending on how thin your hair is. I will need both the hair tie and the bobby pins, or the whole style will fall down. Once I have pinned the bun to match the picture as best I can, I will take the front pieces and loop them behind the bun, creating a face framing look. This I will also have to bobby pin in place, or else it will fall down. Finally, I will spray all over this with the hairspray, which is my last defense against the style slipping down and falling out of the bun. Congratulations, you now have a nice bun that completes the Ms Frizzle look. Here's what the hairstyle looks like with the dress and the earrings. If you would like to see how I made the dress and the earrings, check out the Ms Frizzle playlist on my channel. If you would like to see how I do the makeup for this costume, come back next week.
Now that you have the hair, you are ready for the makeup. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!